Well, the death penalty remains on the table for a man accused of killing his ex-wife in Hamilton County.
CBS 4's Eric Graves was in the courtroom this morning along with one of our cameras.
Joshua Farmer is facing murder and other charges in the shooting death of Kayla Farmer. Today in the courtroom at the Hamilton County Courthouse, it was argued whether or not DNA evidence should be allowed to be tested in this case.
That on or about June 28th.
Joshua Farmer is charged with murder, stalking, and several counts of criminal recklessness in a shooting that killed Kayla Farmer at this Speedway gas station on June 28th. Farmer appeared in person in court Tuesday, escorted in by Hamilton County law enforcement.
Yes, I do.
Across the courtroom from Joshua, family members of his ex-wife, Kayla.
In this matter,
The first order of the hearing was going over an approved request made by the state to seek the death penalty.
have you received a copy of this document, sir? Yes, I have.
Next was a request made by the state to test possible DNA evidence from the June 28th shooting scene. Hamilton County Deputy Prosecutor Mark Livingston says this is an important element in the investigation.
The state believes that it is crucial that the DNA be tested in order not only to identify a suspect, but to eliminate suspects as well.
Fishers Police Detective Jonathan Dossie testified police swabbed possible touch DNA evidence off of the bullet fragments at the gas station scene. Livingston is asking the DNA evidence be tested at the Indiana State Police Lab. If it is, all the evidence would be used.
In other words, if we can't test it all, we're not going to test it at all.
Defense attorney Joshua Moody argues the defense would not be able to do its own testing on the evidence then.
I think it's important, especially seeing as though the lab in this case isn't even confident it will get a result. So what's the rush?
Judge Najjar says he's hoping to have a ruling on this by the end of the week. The hearing ended with Farmer heading out of the courtroom and back to the Hamilton County Jail. As of right now, a final pretrial hearing is scheduled for near the end of October, with a jury trial starting on November 8th. Reporting in the newsroom, Eric Graves, CBS 4 News.
Eric, thank you. New tonight.